Hello, I'm Toro, and today I got a 9-pack. Found this really cool 9-pack Matchbox at the Target. This is a exclusive car, the Toyota Tacoma, and I actually made sure that it was the exclusive car because last time I got scammed. Someone had put in another truck. I was supposed to get, I think, F-150 or something like that. Yeah, this is a pretty cool looking 9-pack. It's got some cool cars, some like more basic cars, I guess, but yeah, I found that. I found a couple of Hot Wheels too. These are from like the QKs from last year, so it's nothing new. So these are already all up. It's the Liberty Works Nissan, the 35 GT RR version 2, and the 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7. This Mazda Savannah has been one of the coolest casts lately. They're both from the J Imports. But yeah, there was only like a Q case of Hot Wheels. But it seems like people had already kind of gone through it. And I also want to open this other Matchbox, the Subaru SVX. It's a Rio Asada. So I already had the white color. So I actually had got one to keep carded and one to open. So it's a pretty nice color. It's almost kind of like pinkish, burgundy kind of. It's like a really light color. It looks really like 90s color, I guess. That's even like a word. But it's a pretty cool little car. What's that right there? Asada. And the license plates. Yeah, I like those little details. It's got the little window. And this one is, I think this was the first. See, this one says SVX on the license plate. But I think this was the first one. The first color. It's kind of like a metallic, kind of like pearl white. Looks pretty nice. This one's like a little bit more pinkish. It's got the sunroof and everything. Yeah, it looks pretty 90s. Pretty 90s car. But yeah, mainly I wanted to open this 9-pack. Let me just open it real quick and check them out. All right, let me start off with the bottom row, and I guess we'll work up to the exclusive. Start off with this one. I don't know the names of these, but I guess it's like a 2016 Ram flatbed. Road maintenance. Matchbox. Pretty cool little work truck, I guess. See, it has like a chainsaw and a chain, like a duffel bag. Yeah, I think this truck was more for like a serial killer than a working truck. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got all the tools of a horror movie right there. It's a pretty cool little yellow color. Just a little truck. Matchbox truck. Oh, helicopter. I don't think I'd ever really opened the helicopter before. This one is fire and EMS. R2 Rescue Matchbox. It says first responders right there on the side. It's just all red with white and gold. That's pretty cool. It's pretty like an actual size to like a car. So that's pretty cool. Like the other day I opened up some of those like quad motorcycles from Hot Wheels. And I think they were like actually bigger than the cars, so kind of weird. That helicopter looks pretty cool. And this one is the 2007 Audi R8. This one's really nice. It's got some nice wheels. It's a nice color too. It's like I guess it's a black, but like almost kind of charcoal black interior. You see the engine right there on the back. Audi R8 on the license plate. Yeah, this one's nice. Audi car. This one looks pretty cool. I don't think I had this car before, so yeah, I think I'm gonna start collecting this model. This cast. It's pretty cool. I like it. And this one is the 1956 Aston Martin Tbr One. It's kind of like a James Bond car, I guess. Convertible, the red interior. It's kind of like a burgundy interior, but the color's really nice though. Silver color, like a glossy silver. Yeah, I think mainly these cars are like that color, so well, that's the ones that I've seen. Kind of like James Bond car. Jaguar. It's pretty classy. This is something different. This is a Polaris Racer. The Razor. It's pretty cool. That'd be pretty cool to take out like in the woods, some trails maybe or something. It's pretty cool. It's pretty detailed. And yeah, I think it's pretty right to scale, so I think these are like mainly like that size. And this one is the Volvo V60. Just a little station wagon. It says Volvo V60 on the back. It's just all red. I think if I would have had like some black wheels, it would have made it look a little bit better, but it's not bad. 4-door wagon. More of a family car. These Volvos are really comfortable. They're really smooth to drive. So we got 3 more cars. This one's the one that I thought looked pretty cool. The Corvette. The Chevy Corvette. I guess it'd be like a Stingray. It says Corvette right there on the side. Some flames. It's all like really like light burgundy color, kind of more like a passion red kind of color. You can see like the flames are like a different color too. More like a matte red. But it's pretty cool little car. 2-door car. Sports car. Yeah, I'm gonna add this one to my Corvette collection, so pretty nice. It's one of the ones that I was looking forward to. And this one too, police car. Actually, it's a security car. Bosque. Not sure what that is. Security. Oh, look at this. It's a different. You see it like this. Open the packaging. And this is the other side. It's from a police auction. You can see that right there. Police auction. It says. I don't know. This is like some number or something. Owner operator. It's a taxi. What the? Wait. So like one side, I guess it's like the. What it was like the Bosque. Not sure if I'm reading that right, but it's a security car. On the other side, it says taxi. I think it was a security car, but then it was bought in an auction, a police auction. Yeah, they sell those like, I guess, old police cars and stuff. And it was turned into a taxi. Well, pretty much the police cars and the taxis are like the same cars, the same type of cars. So I guess that makes sense. And it's got a heart right there, 1198. Cabs, Matchbox. Dang, even I can't read it. I'm still trying to figure out how to use this magnifying glass. Well, maybe you can't see right there on the screen, but yeah, I could pretty much read it pretty clear right here. It says Cabs, Love, Matchbox. Something like that. It's from police auction. Oh, it's a 94 Chevy Caprice. Classic police. It's got a little elephant right there. What does that mean? I don't know. That's a pretty cool little. That's something different. And the final car. The exclusive car. These are cool. It's a Toyota Tacoma Lifeguard. Check that out. It's got a surfboard on the roof. Well, not on the roof, mainly like on the back. On the trail thing. I mean on the hitch. What do you call that? The back, I guess. Matchbox USA Rescue. That's nice. And those are the actual cars that they use for, the actual trucks that they use for the lifeguards. Because when I go down to like the beach pier, they're always driving those type of cars, those type of trucks. A Toyota Tacoma. It's pretty nice. It's got some gold wheels. It's all white with red. This whole plastic part in the back, it's all red. That's pretty cool. I wonder if you could take this off. But I don't want to break it. So. This is the exclusive car for the 9-pack. It's a Toyota Tacoma. Yeah, it's a Toyota Tacoma truck. It looks pretty nice. Lifeguard. Like it. And that's pretty much it. Just the 9-pack that I found. Yeah, it rolls. It's a 9-pack. And a couple of Hot Wheels from the Q case. That had a bunch of little cars right there. Like a bunch of Hot Wheels. There was like no Matchbox or anything else. Saw some pictures. I have some pictures too. And yeah, I just got these two from the Q case. Yeah, from the Q case. They didn't have the Super Treasure Hunt though. But I did get excited because I haven't been able to find any Hot Wheels or Matchbox. So when I saw a bunch of Hot Wheels, Thought they were gonna be from the 2022, but no. It was all just from the Q case. That's pretty cool. At least they had some. Oh, and this helicopter actually goes with the lifeguard truck, so probably put those together. That would be pretty cool. That's pretty much it. Just wanted to open up a 9-pack that I found today at the Target. And also the SVX. It's Subaru. I got 2 different colors. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.